get so strong.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be installing a Garage16 strut bar that goes right in between the chassis. This is a lower strut bar that's going to replace your stock one. This is a two-piece design which was powder coated, and I can't wait to unbox it. So they sent us this package, so let's go ahead, open it up, see what's all about, and of course I'm going to show you how to install it. So guys, enjoy the video and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. So this is the box from Garage16. They sent us this awesome packaging, which was packaged very well. We have the seal of approval right here. So let's go ahead, crack it open, and see what we got. We have a nice postcard right here. We have some hardware, which was included. And of course, we have this awesome two-piece design. As you can see, nicely wrapped up and packaged, so really like it so far. So let's go ahead and unwrap the hardware. Seems like a very solid, heavy-duty hardware right here. We have some instructions right there. Wow, this has a very nice finish. As you guys see right there. It's like a gray powder coating. This is extremely light and made out of aluminum.
So just taking a quicker look at this, boys. This looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, the finish, it's very well done, and I'm happy with it. So can't wait to throw this on the car and see how it goes.
So guys, as you've seen, we took our wheel off, and then if you look in here, this is where you'll find the lower mid bar. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's right there, and it's held with two 12mm bolts, which is easy to remove with a simple shallow and deep socket, of course a wrench. Very simple, guys. So let's go ahead, remove these bolts from the driver and passenger side and go from there. Alright guys, so check this out. We have the stock one, which is the top one. We took it out completely out of the car, and we're putting it side by side, comparing it to the custom bar right here. The provided bolt is actually a little thicker than the stock one for the DC5 model. This one might work for the Civic EP3 model, which this one is meant to be compatible with. So what I'm gonna do is actually reuse my stock hardware with a supplied washer. So how this goes together is, as you can see, you have a taper design. Put your bolt with your washer like this, and then this will drop in place like that, and that's how it will mount on the car. So this side goes here like so, and that's it. So basically you put this bar away from your firewall, where it's going to give you more clearance for your inner tie rods, which are located right here. So let's go ahead, throw this on the car and see how it goes. So guys, the bar is finally in. I can't wait to show it. This looks absolutely amazing with that great finish. Much cleaner than before, that's for sure. And a few pro tips. You can actually reach from the top. And you can actually loosen the bolts from the top in this location and from that location as well. So if you want, you can do it that way, or you can just access it through the wheel well. Either way, it's the same. But nonetheless, guys, this was extremely smooth, and I absolutely love how it looks all the way across. And it just looks so much cleaner than before. This is just another view from the passenger side. A few tips in order to install this. You need to install the flat bar first, and then set that bolt right there loosely. That way you can line it up. Second part to the install is actually install the thicker bar, which has those, the deep socket. This is the one that uses the washer. Make sure you put the bolt in first, and then line it up with 2 deep sockets in both sides. That way the bolt is actually dead center within the bar, and that way it's a lot easier to actually bolt it up. But check this out. Now that it's installed, it looks absolutely amazing, and the clearance is just perfect. As you can see, we have the inner tie rods clearing just fine. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this awesome installation. It was quick and simple. I really like the bar. The quality is just awesome. So thank you so much, Garage16, for sending that out. And guys, if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one,